So one morning I woke up inspired and I decided to renew my room. I knew I could improve it a lot. It was boring. So I made a plan. As a kid I always dreamed of drawing on the walls, but my mom would never let me do it. But now I'm an adult, I can make decisions, I can do stuff. Take that, mom. Sorry. To make the dream come true, responsibly, I would paint the wall with chalkboard paint. But for that, I had to remove any texture, making the surface as smooth as possible. According to Google, that was really important. And that's how it all started. First, I sandpapered the entire wall to get rid of the texture, then I used some wall filler, then I sandpapered it again, and the entire room was white. Then I did 2 layers of primer, which is basically a white pre-paint. I painted the fireplace with black chalkboard paint, some of the details with white and grey regular paint. Put these awesome fake bricks on the wall. It was the best purchase I made in my life. Super realistic. And to make it extra realistic, I decided to make some little cuts on the sides and fill the gaps between the pieces. Then I painted the filler with gouache, which is a water-based paint. Then I had a very hard time cleaning the whole thing. Woo! And then it was finally time to paint the walls. But this room would not be complete without a visit to IKEA. A quick Google search shows that getting to the closest one by bus would cost me €7.63 one way. Bro, that's like 37 IKEA hot dogs. Food over transport. Anytime. So I hopped on my bike instead. It was far. Away. But at least on the way I saw these ponies and singing frogs. They gave me hopes. What? And after 25.4 kilometers, I was finally there. And I walked around, got some stuff, and I take a nap in this overpriced trendy chair. Send some emails, adult stuff. Then I came back fast and furious. Okay, that wasn't me. That is me. I got this awesome wooden chest on a second-hand website, a bunch of wall decoration, lights, and more lights. And then I got to light up the fire. Voila! And it was finally time to write on the walls, yo! It's time. Whoa! I'm sorry. Michelangelo, get on my level, buddy. Yo! Sorry. Respect. This is just a vegan chalk that I got from a local vegan chalk farm.